Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can lock the conversation inside an issue or item on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your issue inside your GitHub project. And let's assume, for example, one of your issues have experienced a longer chat or conversation between your co-editors here, for example, in the comment section. And now you'd like to close the conversation for that because let's say, for instance, the item has been marked as complete. So let me do that really quickly. This is how you can do it. Simply click into the given item, scroll down, and here in the bottom right corner, you will see that option, Lock Conversation. And after that, guys, new comments for this issue will be blocked. And basically by clicking into this button, you may provide a reason below, like no reason, spam, off topic, too heated, resolved. Let us go with resolved. Click into Lock Conversation. And now, as you can see, the conversation has been locked for collaborators, so they can't post any comment anymore. You, of course, as the project owner, can still do this, or project admin. Any other admins will still have the opportunity to do this, but regular collaborators can't do that anymore. If you'd like to unlock the conversation again, click into this button. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.